Hello! Hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're discoing. Hello! This is a bearish case for the stock market as a whole. A liquidation mode everywhere in commodities and everything except the long duration bond. Beautiful. I start with Bitcoin in the weekly time frame, where you have this absolutely beautiful sell signal that worked 100% of the time in the past, where you have higher high with full measured move in the price action in the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, and RSI goes below 50, which would be like that by next week. This always causes a meltdown in the market, especially the S&P 500. This last time it happened, it was last April, but this time you have the real McCoy, which is the absolute negative divergence that took place many times, 100% of the time. It caused bear market. Capisce? Good. So bear market last time this happened, and every time the RSI goes below 50, a meltdown always takes place in the market, 100% of the time. Weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Okay, so let's do with the dollar. The same thing with the dollar. So you have Bitcoin, higher high, lower high in the RSI, where the RSI misses 70 and goes below 50. And this ignites a rally in the dollar, which equates to liquidation mode. And every time the RSI of the Bitcoin goes below 50, every time you have a rally in the dollar. But this one is a major one based on this thing that happened always in the past. You can pause. You can look at it if you want to. You could, So good stuff. So I talked about Bitcoin in the weekly time frame for the dollar and also for the S&P. And this is the COT report for the dollar. And every time you have the commercials in black over going long, and the momentum, large speculators going short, you have a rally in the dollar. And we've been stabilizing in the dollar since April 2025. We did not we're trying to hold, and every time this happens, this ignites a rally in the dollar. You could see it here. You could see it in 2024. You could see it in 2023. You could see it in 2020. You could see it 2018 all the time. Good stuff. Good stuff. And this is for risk off. This is for risk off, which means long duration bond. A lot of investors go risk off. So this is the RSI of the spreads between the 30-year bond and the 2-year bond. Every time the RSI is below 50 and it goes above 50 in the monthly time frame, a meltdown takes place in the market. Last time this happened is 2020, before the pandemic, and before that 2008, and also before that is 2000, and before that was 1990. 100% of the time, this argues that the smart money is going risk off, and it's a perfect time for risk off. For a lot of people are very, very euphoric in the market, in tech, and also in commodities, including gold. So everything is going down. And please like if you like, please share, please subscribe. Please do remember, Disco is forever.